Top Racks Overhead Storage has been selling and installing overhead racks for over 15 years. We build the strongest, most stable rack on the market. Our 4x8s are rated at 1,000 pounds capacity, and they don't budge at all. As you can see, they're rock solid. They have no shake, no sag, no sway. They're so strong you can even swing on them. But please don't try this on yours. We just do it to show you how strong they are.
That's strong.
But not all racks are as strong, stable, and safe as ours. These are the racks sold through the big box stores and on Amazon and eBay. I've been a contractor for 15 years and I'm still shocked at how poorly designed these products are.
These are really easy.
So why not consider our 4x8 wall-mounted super shelf that we ship to you as a do-it-yourself kit. We've slotted the beams to make it easy to attach to the wall studs. If you have basic skills and tools, you can install this yourself, or you can hire a handyman. They don't sag, shake, or swing. If you purchase two, you can put them in an L-shaped configuration in a corner.
Rock solid, no shake at all.
So it's your choice. Buy the ones from the big box stores, or get Super Shelf and have peace of mind.